Hi guys, this is Aakriti back. Today we are making only small video, not big video like the other videos. Today we are teaming with my mom but me. Let's unbox this. Oh wow, the first thing, I cannot see the marker but I can see the marker right here. What we have, you can also color this. We can also color this, color this. My mom told me to do. And we have a window. In my hand, I just box the color. I just box. No, I'm making another color. Let's do together. I didn't make the thing, no. Let's see what we got inside. Let me get all the markers and your favorite. With watching boys and girls, you can find your favorite color pink, blue, any blue. And you can see that thing. More? Oh. More. More. No. Now we're gonna put the thing perfect. Okay, now we're gonna see the marker. Did we have every color? Now we put that color there. Then we have this color, your favorite color, boys and girls. And in this box, you can color everything. And let's open it. What is inside? My mom gifted it for me, so I'm not opening. This is the connecting. So if you have a double back, a double brown, and double white, you can like to sit it together. That's why they have this inside of this. Okay. Let's count how many colors there are inside. There's one fall down a little too far. This box. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 characters. You know, 1 by the 2 equals 4. If you add 2 more, it will equal 4. That's why. I know that because my teacher knows that. Watch me. Let me put it in our card. Okay, let me put it here. And we have a greeting card. It said nothing. You can open a greeting card. You can add some things. Happy birthday, the name if your friend or mom. And you can color this or write the thing. And also color the background here. And we have another. It says Sunday. Happy holiday. Sorry, I said Sunday. And inside we have this. You can color this or this. I don't know what you have to do, but color things. It said, super thank you. That's why I like tips. And inside we have this card section types and a card. You can also color here. You can also color in the back. You can write messages in this. If you don't have phone, you can write it. Now we're gonna, it says happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. And we have this owl cake and a balloon set to it. So thank you for watching. Comment below and bye. This is a more video. Bye.